What's good, love buds? Welcome back to the channel. If you are new, go ahead and subscribe because I'll probably go stop posting on this channel again. Yep. I'm gonna be doing like beauty and like hair and like fashion and stuff. That's my dog. Her claws. So I'll be back, but like with an update on myself and stuff, you know, blah 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 blah. But today I really want to open this package. It's not a package. I really want to open this. Can you get down? Get down. I really want to open this box and I want to do an unboxing, but I'm not ready to actually do the review. So, cause I just did my hair and like I ain't twisted for nothing. I'm aware of this, okay? Yes, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Dyson Airwrap. Let me show you guys. Here it is. Now, if y'all know about Dyson, they expensive, okay? I have their blow dryer also, but I love it. Like, I love it. Like, it gets your hair dry really fast. Now, I just got practice doing with the brush and the dryer because I'm not used to that. But once I like master that, my hair will be dry in like 20-30 minutes. Like, yes, that's how fast it gets your hair dry. Okay, so Free actually got me this. He got me the dryer too, but he got me this because I asked for a flat iron. He said, well, this isn't a flat iron, but you can check this out. This is like $550. It does a lot of things, I know that, so let me tell you what it does. A pre-styling dryer, so to dry your hair a little bit before you start, you know, actually styling your hair with the rollers and things. It has a 1.2-inch Airwrap barrel, a 1.6 Airwrap barrel, a firm smoothing brush, a soft smoothing brush, and a round volumizing brush. So that's included in all of this thing. It better be for how much it is, okay? So continue watching and then look out for the review that I will be doing on this and actually testing it on natural hair, because I've watched a few reviews and they say natural hair but they're mixed. Like, no, I got nigga hair, straight naps. So we're gonna see how it does, okay? But let's get straight into this unboxing. Well, that's nice. It comes in a case. Again, it better for how much it is. Whoa, paper's falling out. And some kind of beads. So it comes in this little carrying case, which is great. Great, because like, I don't know about y'all, but like, you have all of these hair gadgets and they don't come in nothing. Like, you just gotta wrap it up and the cords be all over the place. Like, it's just a hassle. So this is good that it has a whole case to put everything in. I wish the blow dryer did, because I'd be trying to wrap it back in the box and I'd be failing. It takes a while. It has this when you open it up, and then it has how to curl your hair. Whoa. So it shows you how you curl your hair with the barrels. And that's it. You're supposed to use damp hair. So I'll go through all of this when I actually do the review. It tells you how to do it. So I guess if you go how they tell you to do it, you probably get the best results based off the reviews I've seen, because yeah. So this is the round voluming brush. Which one is this? Who knows? This is the firm and this is the soft. So this one has the little dots on the bristles, as you can see right there, and then this one doesn't. Wow, it actually comes with 2 of the barrels. Each barrel, it comes with 2. It don't say that, but it comes with 2. Here's the little dryer. And then the actual wand. I'm not about to take the whole thing out. Okay, yes I will. I'll just keep it like this. So here's the actual wand. and you put the attachments on. So let's see how that goes. Just like that. Boom. I want to hear what it sounds like. I can see like the little holes where the air is going to come through. It's pretty cool. It's pretty cool. What is this? Once I figure out how to open it. I'm not quite sure, but it has like a brush. I want to say like maybe to clean it. Honestly, I have no clue. That's where the directions come in, and I'm not about to read the directions to y'all, so it's just an unboxing. Let's do it again. So you put the attachment on it, and it has a little lock and unlock. Right now it's on lock. Right now it's on lock. And once you put it in there, it pushes it down to unlock, and then you have to push it down more to take the whole thing off. Because you can't just, which is great. It's great. You turn the on button right here, and then this is the fan. Lowest at the bottom, highest at the top, and then you can do, it has 2 heat dots and then 1 cool. So probably 2 is really hot, warm, and then cold. I'm actually kind of excited to use it and see what it does, because it says it's for all hair types, and like, I don't really think they mean black people. Maybe mixed people, because that was all the reviews I seen. A whole bunch of mixed girls talking about natural hair, and I'm like, y'all don't have to do much to straighten your hair. Like, please get out of here with that. That's it, guys. That's literally it. So stay tuned for the actual review, because I'm excited to use this and actually see how it goes, because I don't know. I just don't think it's going to do good. We're gonna see. We are going to see. So like, after I'm finished with this style, you know, take a few pictures. I've already slept on it without taking a picture, which I don't know why I did that. I ain't put no bonnet on, nothing. I don't know why I did that, but whatever. It's still cute. You just gotta slick it for real, because it ain't slicked at all. If you enjoyed this, I want to see more unboxing videos. Some people might, and like, you know, comment down below in the comment section and let me know what videos y'all want to see on here. I'm going to be doing like my makeup tour. I'm just going to create a separate video. We'll tell y'all what I'm be doing on this channel, because, you know, I'm just going to do it. How about that? Comment down below in the comment section below and tell me what other videos y'all want to see. I'm going to do what I want to do, but I want to know what y'all want to do. What y'all want me to do. I'm sorry. And yes. So love buds, if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below. And make sure you subscribe before you leave. If you're not already, I'm going to wait. And go ahead and click the bell, because YouTube not telling you when we post. If you click the bell, it's going to tell you when I post. Okay? So go ahead and click both of those buttons if you haven't done it already. This is me waiting for you to do it, because I know you're not subscribed. And I know your notification's not on. I know it's not. So I'm just waiting. You done? Y'all done? Alright. So guys, and until next time, I'm going to catch y'all with another video. I'll holla. I gotta figure out what I want to say, because I don't want it to be the same as Lolo and Fruity. But for right now, it's gonna be I'll holla.